Hello. Do you ever struggle with making small talk in English? Small talk's very important for building business relationships, isn't it? My name's Bert Langell. My company, my business is called LearnBusinessEnglish.ca for Canada. Improving your small talk skills can be a great way to build connections and rapport with your colleagues and clients. It's a skill that can be learned with a bit of practice. Here are some tips to help you improve your small talk skills. First, try to genuinely be interested in the other person. Ask them questions about their interests, their hobbies, and experiences. You might be surprised at what you learn. It can help you build a stronger connection with them. Second, be mindful of cultural differences. What might be considered appropriate small talk in one culture may not be in another. If you're unsure, it's always better to err on the side of caution and stick to more neutral topics like weather and current events. Third, try to find common ground. Look for shared interests and experiences that you can both relate to. For example, if you both enjoy hiking or you could talk about your favorite trails or ask for recommendations. Fourth, practice active listening. This means paying attention to what the other person is saying, asking follow-up questions, and responding in a thoughtful way. Avoid interrupting or dominating the conversation. And finally, don't be afraid to share a bit about yourself. Small talk is a two-way street, so if the other person asks you a question, take the opportunity to share a bit about yourself as well. Remember, small talk doesn't have to be a difficult or stressful experience. With a bit of practice, you can improve your skills and build stronger connections with your colleagues and clients. Good luck, and I invite you to attend my 7-day challenge on small talk. This will transform your small talk abilities. It's a very, very small investment for a big gain. I hope you will ask me about it. DM me if you're interested in talking. Thank you very much. And again, my name's Bert Langell, LearnBusinessEnglish.ca, not com. And I hope to meet with you sometime. Have a great day.